Listen to the wise advice that this wise old woman said about how to make a woman happy. In the vast universe of relationships, there is a secret that many seek to uncover. The way to make a woman happy. An incessant search for a magical formula that at times seems as elusive as a mirage in the desert. However, the truth is that this formula is not a ready-made recipe, but rather a deep and genuine understanding of each woman's uniqueness. Each woman is like a unique constellation in the sky, with her own nuances, shine, and mysteries. Understanding it is like deciphering the secrets of the stars. It requires patience, attention, and a sensitive eye for the details that make it unique. There is no universal guide that applies to everyone, as each person brings with them their own needs, dreams, and desires. The real secret lies in recognizing and valuing this individuality. We need to abandon the idea that there is a standard formula for female happiness, and instead embrace the complexity and diversity that each woman brings with her. You have to be willing to delve into the depths of your soul, to understand your joys and your pains, your fears and your aspirations. Making a woman happy requires more than simple gestures or empty words. It requires a sincere commitment to understand her in her entirety, to listen carefully to her unspoken words, and to be present in each moment, not just physically but emotionally. It is necessary to cultivate a genuine connection, based on mutual respect and admiration for the person she is. It is important to remember that a woman's happiness does not lie in meeting pre-established expectations, but in allowing her to truly be who she is, without masks or artifice. You need to encourage her to follow her dreams, pursue her passions, and express her emotions freely, without judgment or limitations. The secret to making a woman happy is recognizing her as a unique and incomparable masterpiece. It's about celebrating her uniqueness and loving her unconditionally, with all our heart and soul. Because when a woman feels truly understood and valued, her happiness knows no bounds, illuminating not only her own life, but also those who have the privilege of sharing her path. In any truly happy relationship, sincere communication is the foundation on which everything is built. It is through this that a deep and meaningful connection is established between two people. Therefore, always be open and willing to share your thoughts, concerns, feelings, and desires in an honest and transparent way. There is no room for judgment or criticism in authentic communication. Be present to listen carefully to what your partner has to say, without interruptions or prejudice. Show empathy and understanding, even if your opinions differ. Respect your individuality and value your unique perspective. Remember that communication is not just limited to words. Be aware of nonverbal cues and body language nuances. Often, it's what isn't said that carries the most emotional weight. Be open to reading between the lines and understanding between the lines of what is being communicated. Don't be afraid to express your own needs and desires. True communication requires reciprocity, where both partners feel comfortable sharing their deepest vulnerabilities and aspirations. Be honest with yourself and your partner, and cultivate an environment where trust and honesty flourish. Remember that communication is a two-way street. It's not just about talking, it's also about active listening. Be willing to give your partner the space and opportunity to express herself fully, without interruptions or judgment. Show genuine interest in her concerns and feelings, and make her feel truly heard and understood. Open and honest communication is the link that keeps relationships strong and healthy. Cultivate this skill with care and dedication, and you will find that the connections you share with your partner will become deeper and more meaningful with each passing day. Showing appreciation and gratitude regularly is a powerful way to strengthen bonds in a relationship. Recognizing the things your partner does for you and the relationship not only validates your efforts, but also strengthens the emotional connection between the two of you. A simple thank you can really make all the difference in her day, showing that you value and recognize her contributions. It's important to cultivate a culture of appreciation in your relationship, where mutual recognition is a natural part of everyday life. Recognize the big and small gestures your partner does for you, from preparing a delicious meal to offering a shoulder to lean on during difficult times. Show her that you are aware of and grateful for these displays of love and care. Don't underestimate the power of words. A simple thank you, accompanied by a genuine smile, can brighten your partner's day and strengthen your emotional connection. Express your gratitude sincerely and specifically, highlighting the actions or qualities you most appreciate about her. This demonstrates that you not only recognize their efforts but also deeply value them. In addition to expressing your gratitude verbally, it is also important to show it through actions. Surprise your partner with small gestures of appreciation, like writing love notes, preparing a special surprise, or simply spending quality time together. These displays of affection show that you are attentive to her needs and care about making her happy. Remember that gratitude is a two-way street. Just as you appreciate the things your partner does for you, it's also important that she feels valued and recognized in your relationship. Cultivate an environment of reciprocity, where you both express gratitude and appreciation for each other regularly. Showing appreciation and gratitude regularly is essential to nurturing a healthy, happy relationship. Don't underestimate the positive impact your words and actions of recognition can have on your partner's emotional well-being and strengthening the bonds that unite you. Investing quality time together is essential to strengthening the emotional bonds in a relationship. Showing genuine interest in spending time with your partner not only strengthens the connection between the two of you, but also creates precious memories that will be cherished forever. Prioritizing time together requires commitment and dedication. Be willing to set aside time in your schedule to be there for your partner, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Show that she is a priority in your life, and that you value the opportunity to share experiences and create memories with her. When you are together, be present with body and soul. Disconnect from external distractions, such as electronic devices or work worries, and focus fully on your partner. Show genuine interest in her life by listening carefully to what she has to say, and actively participating in shared conversations and activities. Be creative when planning activities to do together. Explore common interests and discover new experiences you can enjoy together. This could include anything from walks outside to movie nights at home, or even learning something new together, like cooking a different recipe or taking up a shared hobby. Remember that it's not just the amount of time you spend together that matters, but the quality of those moments. Focus on creating meaningful connections and strengthening emotional intimacy between the two of you. Be authentic and open in your interactions, sharing your deepest thoughts, feelings, and dreams. Investing quality time together is a powerful way to nurture and strengthen your relationship. Show genuine interest in your partner, be present in every shared moment, and create memories that will be cherished for a lifetime. By doing this, you will be building a solid foundation for a long-lasting and happy relationship. Respecting your partner's limits and spaces is essential to cultivating a healthy and harmonious relationship. Each person has their own individual needs and their own time, and it is important to recognize and respect these differences. Understand that your partner is an independent person, with her own life, interests, and responsibilities. Respect the time she needs for herself and her personal activities. Avoid being overly controlling or invasive, and allow her the freedom to make choices and decisions that are best for her. It is essential to establish open and honest communication about each person's individual needs. Talk about your personal boundaries and spaces you want to preserve, and be willing to find a balance that works for both of you. Respect your partner's decisions and avoid pressuring her to commit beyond what she is comfortable with. Remember that mutual respect is the foundation of a healthy relationship. Be aware of your partner's signs of discomfort or irritation, and do your best to avoid violating her boundaries. Show empathy and understanding, and always be willing to adjust your behavior to ensure her well-being. Additionally, take time to take care of yourself and cultivate your own interests and hobbies. Having personal space and time for yourself is important for your emotional and mental well-being, and this can also strengthen your relationship, as you will be more balanced and happy when you are with your partner. Respecting your partner's limits and spaces is essential to building a healthy and harmonious relationship. Always be attentive to her individual needs, and do your best to ensure she feels respected, valued, and free to be who she is. By cultivating an environment of mutual respect and understanding, you will be strengthening the bonds that unite you and building a solid foundation for a lasting and happy relationship. Surprising your partner every now and then with small unexpected gestures of affection and attention is a wonderful way to show how much you value and care about her. These surprises don't have to be extravagant or expensive. Often it's the simple, thoughtful gestures that have the biggest impact. Pay attention to the little things that make your partner happy and bring a smile to her face. It could be bringing her breakfast in bed on a Saturday morning, writing a love letter by hand, preparing her favorite dish for dinner, or simply sending her a sweet message in the middle of the day, just to tell her how much she means to you. The element of surprise is what makes these gestures special. Catch your partner by surprise when she least expects it, and watch the joy and gratitude shine in her eyes. These small displays of affection not only brighten her day, but they also strengthen the emotional bond between you, creating precious memories that will be cherished for a long time. Remember, it's important to be creative and personalized with your surprises. Get to know your partner's likes and interests and plan your surprises accordingly. Whether it's romantic, fun, or exciting, the important thing is that your partner feels loved and appreciated. Also, don't wait for a special occasion to surprise her. Surprise her every now and then for no reason other than to show her that you are thinking about her and want to make her happy. Surprising your partner every now and then with small, unexpected gestures of affection and attention is a powerful way to strengthen the bond between you and make her feel truly special and loved. These surprises not only brighten her day, but they also fuel the love and connection you share, making your relationship stronger and more meaningful with each passing day. Being present in difficult times is a powerful demonstration of love and commitment in a relationship. When your partner is going through challenges, it is essential that you are there to offer your support, comfort, and solidarity. Show your partner that you are by her side, not only in moments of happiness, but also in moments of pain and difficulty. Be available to listen to their concerns, fears, and anxieties without judgment or criticism. Offer your shoulder to lean on so she can vent and share her deepest feelings. Show empathy and compassion by putting yourself in their shoes and trying to understand what they are going through. Show that you genuinely care about her well-being and that you are willing to do whatever it takes to help her overcome her challenges. Offer your support in a practical way, helping her find solutions to the problems she faces and offering assistance whenever necessary. Be willing to take on extra responsibilities if it helps ease the burden she carries. Remember that the true test of a relationship is how you face adversity together. By staying by your partner's side during difficult times, you will be strengthening the emotional bond between you and building a solid foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship. Be present in difficult moments in your partner's life, showing your support, solidarity, and commitment to facing challenges together. By doing this, you will be demonstrating the true love and care you feel for her, and strengthening the bonds that unite you as a couple. Cultivating mutual trust is essential to strengthening a relationship and creating an environment where both parties feel safe to be authentic and true to themselves. Building this trust takes time, effort, and dedication, but the benefits are immeasurable. To create an environment of mutual trust, it is essential that both partners feel free to express their thoughts, feelings, and opinions without fear of judgment or criticism. This requires open and honest communication, where you feel comfortable sharing even your deepest vulnerabilities. Show respect for your partner's individuality, valuing her opinions and respecting her choices, even if they are different from yours. Avoid controlling or possessive behavior, and give her the space and freedom to be who she is, without trying to change her or mold her according to your own expectations. Be transparent in your actions and words, building a relationship based on honesty and reliability. Keep your promises and follow through on your commitments, showing your partner that she can trust you in all circumstances. Additionally, it's important to be available to listen and offer support when your partner needs you. Be there through the good times and the bad, showing her that you're there for her no matter what. By cultivating mutual trust in your relationship, you will be creating a strong and lasting emotional bond. You will be able to face challenges together, celebrate the joys of life, and build a solid and promising future based on respect, understanding, and above all, true love. Showing interest in your partner's personal and professional growth is a powerful way to strengthen your relationship and show that you care about her well-being in all aspects of her life. Encouraging your partner to pursue her dreams and goals, offering support and encouragement along the way, can make all the difference in her life journey. Be attentive to your partner's goals and aspirations, and show genuine interest in her personal and professional growth. Listen carefully to her dreams and goals, and offer your unconditional support so she can achieve them. Be there to provide guidance, encouragement whenever needed. Help your partner identify her unique strengths and talents, and encourage her to develop them to the fullest. Offer constructive feedback and practical support to help her overcome challenges and obstacles along the way. Additionally, be willing to share your own goals and aspirations with your partner, creating an environment of mutual support and joint growth. Work together as a team to achieve your dreams and build a bright future together. Remember that emotional support and encouragement are just as important as practical support. Always be there for your partner in moments of doubt or discouragement, offering words of encouragement and comfort that help her stay motivated and focused on her goals. By showing interest in your partner's personal and professional growth, you will be building a relationship based on mutual respect, trust, and mutual support. Together, you will be able to overcome challenges, celebrate achievements, and create a bright future full of opportunities and personal fulfillment. Never stop showing your love and affection for your partner. True love is more than just words. It's an ongoing action that involves showing your love in tangible, consistent ways. Make your partner feel valued and loved every day, because it is in small daily gestures that true love manifests itself. Show your love for your partner in many ways, whether through loving words, gestures of affection, or simply being there when she needs it most. Make it clear how much she means to you and how your life is better for having her by your side. Remember that love is an ongoing commitment that requires mutual dedication and effort. Be willing to invest time and energy in your relationship, working together to overcome challenges and celebrate the joys of life. Be a caring and supportive partner, ready to face life's ups and downs together. Don't forget to express your love and gratitude to your partner regularly. Make a point of saying "I love you" every day and showing your appreciation for her in tangible ways. Surprise her with small gestures of affection and make her feel special and loved at all times. Above all, love your partner unconditionally, accepting her exactly as she is, with all her imperfections and unique qualities. Be her biggest defender and her safe haven, always ready to support and love her at all times. By doing this, you will be building a relationship based on true, lasting, and meaningful love. A relationship where you both feel loved, valued, and accepted, regardless of what life may bring.